Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of connective tissue. You know, when we think about our bodies, we often focus on the obvious things. Muscles for movement, the brain for thinking, the stomach for digesting delicious pizza. But what holds it all together? What provides the support, the structure, the very framework upon which our amazing bodies are built? You guessed it, connective tissue. Today we'll explore the different types of connective tissue, their structures, functions, and where you can find them in your body. We'll uncover the incredible diversity of this essential tissue type, from the fluid that courses through our veins to the strong cords that bind our bones together. Get ready to be amazed by the often overlooked but absolutely vital world of connective tissue. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about a type of connective tissue that's constantly on the move. Blood. You might not think of blood as a connective tissue, but it fits the bill perfectly. It's got that all-important extracellular matrix. In this case, it's the plasma, a watery fluid that carries all sorts of important stuff like nutrients, hormones, and even waste products. But blood is more than just a delivery service. Floating in that plasma are our red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Red blood cells, shaped like tiny little discs, are packed with hemoglobin, which grabs onto oxygen and carries it throughout our body. White blood cells are our immune system superheroes, fighting off infections and keeping us healthy. And platelets, they're like tiny little band-aids, always ready to clump together and stop bleeding if we get a cut. Next we have areolar connective tissue, and this one's all about providing support and cushioning. Imagine a soft, gel-like substance, kind of like jelly, but with a bit more structure. That's the extracellular matrix of areolar connective tissue, and it's made up of things like collagen fibers for strength and elastic fibers for, you guessed it, elasticity. Scattered throughout this matrix are cells like fibroblasts, which are like little construction workers that produce and maintain the extracellular matrix. This amazing tissue is found all over your body, acting like a soft packing material between your organs, holding them in place and protecting them from bumps and jolts. You'll find it just beneath your skin, around your blood vessels and nerves, and even between your muscles. Now, let's talk about a type of connective tissue we all have a love-hate relationship with. Adipose tissue, or as we commonly know it, fat. Before you start thinking of it as the enemy, remember, fat is essential for our survival. Adipose tissue is made up of cells called adipocytes, which are basically tiny storage tanks for energy in the form of lipids or fats. These cells are like little cushions, providing insulation and protecting our organs. Think of a nice, warm blanket on a cold winter's day. That's what adipose tissue does for your body. It sits right under your skin, keeping you warm and cozy. You'll also find it around your kidneys, providing a protective layer, and in your abdominal cavity, where it helps cushion your digestive organs. Chapter 4. Fibrous connective tissue, tough as nails. Let's move on to a real powerhouse. Fibrous connective tissue. This stuff is tough. Imagine a thick rope all woven together with strong, durable fibers. That's what fibrous connective tissue is like. And it's found in parts of your body that need to be super strong and resilient. We've got two main types, dense regular and dense irregular. Dense regular, as you might guess, has its collagen fibers all lined up in a nice, neat, parallel fashion. This gives it incredible tensile strength, perfect for tendons which connect muscles to bones and ligaments which connect bones to each other. Dense irregular, on the other hand, has its fibers running in all different directions, giving it strength in multiple directions. You'll find this type in your skin's dermis, giving it that tough, protective quality. Chapter 5. And now imagine a rubber band, stretchy, flexible, and always returning to its original shape. That's what elastic connective tissue is all about. This remarkable tissue is made up of, you guessed it, lots and lots of elastic fibers, all bundled together with some trusty fibroblasts in the mix. Elastic connective tissue is found in places where your body needs to be able to stretch and recoil, like the walls of your large arteries, helping them expand and contract with each heartbeat. You'll also find it in your respiratory airways, allowing your lungs to expand and contract as you breathe, and even in the ligaments of your vertebral column, giving your spine that flexibility to bend and twist. Chapter 6. Let's talk about bone. This is the classic example of connective tissue, providing the strong, rigid framework that supports our bodies. Now, bone or osseous tissue is like a super strong building material. It's got a rigid matrix packed with collagen fibers for strength. And here's the key: mineral salts like calcium phosphate, which give bone its hardness. We've got two main types: compact bone, which is dense and strong, forming the outer layer of your bones, and spongy bone, which is lighter and more porous, found inside your bones. Bone isn't just about support, it also protects your vital organs, stores essential minerals, and even produces blood cells in the bone marrow. Talk about multitasking. Chapter 7. Finally, let's discuss cartilage, a tough but flexible connective tissue found in various parts of your body. Imagine something between bone and tendon. Strong but with a bit more give. That's cartilage. It's got a firm but rubbery matrix thanks to a special combination of collagen and elastic fibers. We've got three main types of cartilage: hyaline cartilage, the most common type found in your joints, providing smooth surfaces for movement; elastic cartilage, found in your ears and nose, giving them their shape and flexibility; and fibrocartilage, the strongest type, found in your intervertebral discs, acting as shock absorbers for your spine. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of the various types of connective tissue in your body. From transporting oxygen to providing support, these amazing tissues are the unsung heroes of your body, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep you healthy and functioning. Isn't it incredible how our bodies are put together? It's like a perfectly designed machine, with each part playing a crucial role. Connective tissue might not always get the spotlight, but it's absolutely essential for our existence. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of human biology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.